We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is translated at the request of every government in a game universe. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 3:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the great Giiroman and his army spawned enemy ships all around the gaming universes. These universes include Nintendo, PlayStation, Xbox, and every third-party company universe. If you are indoors, stay inside and hide with all electronics except a battery-powered radio and very dark flashlights. Stay in a room or area where Giiroman and his army can't find you. Due to the army coming in about 2 minutes, we are signing off early. Please stay tuned on the air for more updates on this extremely dangerous situation.